Hello friends, welcome back to the Maker Trading. So in this video, we are going to review morning trade and also we'll try to review this market today and we'll try to predict market for the tomorrow. So basically, if you have watched my morning trades, I entered at this point in the morning and I booked profit. I entered in this trade at this point and I booked profit here. That was when market at this point I booked profit. So after I booked profit, market went almost 30 point up. And in the premium, if you'll see friends, in the premium, if you'll see, this was the approx 30 point additional in my premium. But in this momentum, I booked almost 20 point profit in this momentum. And after that, I was thinking to trade at this point at the bearish side, but I did not trade that. And my last trade was I worked at this point of view, right? So friends, the important things we need to discuss here. Let's talk about first trade here, first, right? So if you'll see this, if you suppose that, see how market trap people, right? So in at this stage, if you see, if you are entering at the above 5 minute candle, right? So if you're entering above 5 minute candle, so what will happen? You will get only this momentum, right? And if you are looking for more than 30 points, you will be trapped here. So market is gap up open today, a strong bullish pattern today, but still in the option buying, you are not going to have the more than 30-40 points. So in this setup, what will happen? You are going to trap, right? And now what will happen? Again, this breakout given at this point of time, many traders are trapped at this point. So how we can save from this trap? We need to wait for this breakout level, but many people in hurry will not wait for this level and will enter at this point. So this was the SL for the today. Third point where many trader will trap today, like this here. And another point people were trapped today is this is the third point. Suppose that, and if the market came here, many people will expect that this is going to fill the gap, this gap going to fill, possibly this will come to this 150 level, but again people trapped, right? And now another thing is that this momentum is very so slow and boring momentum. Most of the people feel like they will enter again and again in this set of zone and will have the higher losses. And in the last 1 hour session, we can see complete sideways. So overall market was more than one third time of the market was complement, approx 3 to 4 hour was in the sideways. Only 2 hours we have the momentum in the market, right? So this is the, how people get trapped in the market. And we need to understand this, how to play with this market, because markets always play with the trader, right? So now if we see friends, how we can save the, so how you can save this trap. So we need to be, first thing said, whenever the bullish pattern comes, it's give you very, a very low space to trade. In this set of investor earns money, they make their capital bigger, because being a trader, or the sellers make money, because overnight there is a gap of opening. So seller will get advantage of this, not buyer will get advantage of this, right? So investor will get advantage of this. So what the trader will get advantage of this pattern? Nothing. In this setup, I don't think many people, of course there are, genius people, they can do something, no doubt about it, but most of the people will trap in this right? And the biggest problem in this setup is that, like, we have the very low wicks. Because of that, we are getting trapped in this. So now we'll discuss market for the tomorrow. So friends, if you'll see at this point, right, if you'll see continuous market has given, see this friends, continuous, this is the third day where market have given the brilliant momentum. If you'll see this continuous after this fourth day in Nifty, continuous fourth day, market have given momentum from 18,800 to 19,300. Market have performed really well, right? So after this continued, I mean continue fourth day of the performance, bull have performed well. There is a higher probability that market must stay for 1 or 2 days, or it will be the sideways, right? So tomorrow it is possible, or the higher possibility is that it will be volatile or it will be sideways. So I will recommend you that please be safe for tomorrow. Don't do panic in the trading, otherwise you will lose your on all earned capital, right? But if you'll see friends at the weekly level, this showing that market have the good strength. This showing that market have the good strength. So looking at the weekly level trends, we can trust the bull, all right? But looking at the day level trend, I don't want to trust bull, right? So be safe for the tomorrow. This is all about for the today review for the tomorrow market and trading, right? And also we can see this volume is getting reduced, right? Suppose if you see friends here, if you see here continuous after 4 days, what happened here? One, two, three, four. Sorry, this is weekly. Let me come to the daily basis, and then we can analyze well here. So it's very difficult to find a chart like this. Okay, so I will get that chart if possible. Having 4 day continuous momentum in the market. Suppose here we can see this continuous 3 4 days, but not complete 4 days momentum in the market. So this is at this point we can see here how market we have here. We can see friends here, this was the breakout. We can see here this is the breakout, and after this breakout 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, what happened? This is complete volatile. If you friends, if you see this candle, 1 2 3 4, and now this is volatile again. If you see this is volatile, heavy volatile. Again if you see this continuous 3 day volatility in the market, and this is complete sideways market, no momentum in the market, and after that market have given the breakout. So what this chart is showing, we need to understand this, the tomorrow is going to be very volatile, right? So be safe and please save your own capital. Don't give it back easily, right? Thank you so much.